Hello students, and this lecture we are going to learn 600 words that are most important and most used spoken words in academia. What is actually academia, or we simply say academic? Like when we are taking class with our professors, instructors, teachers, so mostly they use and they are speaking such words. So if we have idea, if we know the meanings of such words, so then we can easily understand their lecture, we can easily understand their meaning. So if we start learning per day 10 words, so we can learn a lot of words if we multiply them with months, so roundabout many words. Right now I cannot count, but actually you will have calculator, so you can count with that. Now, and these 600 words will be given to you along with pronunciation and along with its meaning. Another thing, also collocations, its synonyms, all these things would be given to you. We learn vocabulary they do not exist in our circumstances and where we are studying. So first of all, we need to learn the most important vocabulary that we are facing on our daily basis. So first of all, we should learn these vocabulary which are the easiest and that can we learn easily and can get a handle over these old vocabulary. So mostly we go to the seminars where the people are using these kind of vocabularies. So let's get started. Let me give you this vocabulary. Here is the Oxford Learner Dictionaries. So Opal, Oxford, Phrasal, Academic Lexicon. Lexicon means vocabulary. Simply it is taken from linguistic, which means vocabulary. So the essential vocabulary for academic writing and speaking. Like whenever we come to speaking, so we do not have a lot of vocabularies to build up the sentences. So here are the essential or the most important vocabulary and most important words that we have to instill in our speaking. Here is the list, and this list is encompassed of roundabout 600 vocabulary. You can see here there are filters. So in filters, like you can give here spoken, I have selected on spoken words, and you can also click on written phrases, written words, spoken phrases. So but we have to focus on our spoken words. Here mean this is the most important, this is the least important. Like it is a category. Like if we go for the first one, so it would be the most essential and the most important sublist. If we come to the second, third, so it is getting low. It's publicity is not that much that we can go for that, but we have to learn all of them. Okay, now let's come to another section. Now if you really want to learn a vocabulary, like first of all it is they have arranged it. So here it is A series, A, B, A, C, then A, D, like on series wise they have given vocabulary here. So you can click on any of the pronunciation, it will give you. The blue one, it is British pronunciation, and the red one, it's American pronunciation. So if we just click on the British one, so it would also give us pronunciation. Let's check it out.
Ability,
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 absolute,
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 absolute. Here they have given the grammatical function of this word. Like this word can be used adjective, Ability can be used as noun, but there are also other words like academic, like it could be used as noun as well as adjective. So this is the British one, this is American. Look at
Ability.
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 Ability. So this is the British one, this is the American one. So any of them you can check by clicking on the Wise button. You can go into detail. For example, I want to check the meaning of it, so I would have to click on it, and then I will have to wait for a while. Actually, I have so much low connection due to which I cannot open it directly, so we will have to wait, and we will have to fasten our builds to look for its meaning. Like, look at here, you can look. Here is the ability. It is noun, British. Like they have also given the transcription.
Ability.
Ability. Pronunciation English. It is British. This is American.
Ability.
Ability. So plural of ability is abilities. Singular, the fact that somebody and something is able to do something. Ability to do something. Many animals, so they have given a lot of examples. You can pick up any of the examples from the list, and they have also given the collocations, like how it could be used as adjective, as verb. So mean they have given different circumstances and different conditions that in any condition you can apply it. They have also given the synonyms for this word. Like you can pick up any of the synonyms for ability from collocations. Here are another list of collocations. So adjective, verb. There are and also if you look focus, so there are synonyms, collocations, examples that how the person can use it as adjective, as verb. So mean all the things are available here on it. You can also see if we look here, so click on all collocations. So they will give you here the full list of this word, and then you can go for any of the list of it. So it is all about the word that you can get the pronunciation by clicking on the speaker button. You can go for its meaning, for different meaning according to senses, according to situation, according to circumstances, according to condition. You can also go for collocations. You can also go for synonyms, antonyms. All these things are given here, and I think if a person wants to build up his vocabulary section, so I think this is one of the best place where they can pick up a lot of vocabulary. Like here, and I will also give the link in my description, so you can download this list from over there. Let me tell you how can you download it. So you will have to click on the download button, and here like written single words, spoken single words. So we need to download this one, so you can download it easily. It is Oxford, and I'll give the link in the description below that you can download it. So mean wherever you want to save it, so you can save it. I'll just save it on a desktop. I saved it, and then I will click on the download option. So it would take a little bit time because as at the beginning I told you that my internet would be a little bit slow, so due to which I cannot open it quickly. So now let's come to it. Like the Oxford Phrasal Academic Lexicon. The Oxford Phrasal Academic Lexicon is a set of 4-word lists. They together provide an essential guide to the most important words and phrases to know in the field of English for academic purpose. This list gives the 600 most important words in academic speaking, divided into 6 sublists of 100 words each, with the most important words in sublist 1. So these are sublisted like the first one, then the second, then the third, then the fourth, then the fifth. So meaning all these are those vocabulary, those words that can listen and face in your daily life or daily routine. Like you go to university, you go to college, you go to school, and then you interact with teachers, interact with instructors, interact with your professors. So mostly they pick up these kind of vocabulary and then they use in their spoken. But if you have command, so you can easily understand, you can easily pick up the meaning of their conversation. But if you do not have command on these vocabulary, on these 6 vocabulary, they are which are the most important for us to learn, so then you can have a lot of problem ahead. So I hope you would have enjoyed this video. If you have further question regarding it, so you can ask me in the comment box, where I'll give you answer of any of your question. So thank you for watching this video, and inshallah in my incoming videos I'll be giving you more such words, such techniques where you can download, where you can learn different types and different kinds of vocabulary. My another section would be on idiomatic language or pragmatics. Like in pragmatics there are a lot of things come. For example, phrasal verb, idioms, proverbs, cliches. So all those things I will discuss in detail. So stay tuned. See you in another video. Thank you.